Customizing message notification sounds on your iPhone. 16 helps you distinguish message alerts from other notifications and personalize your device experience. Here's how to get this done. First, head back to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the current display. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon to launch the app. In the Settings app menu, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Apps. A list of apps will load up on the next screen. Locate Messages from the list and then tap on it. Once you get to the Messages app's settings, find and tap on Notifications. Next, tap Sounds. Now, choose your preferred sound by scrolling through the available preset tones and then tap to mark the desired tone to use. To view more sound options, tap Classic and then tap to hear and select your preferred sound. Should you wish to silence the message notification, select None or activate Do Not Disturb to mute all sounds on your iPhone. Customizing message notification sounds can significantly enhance your iPhone experience by making it easier to identify the source of incoming messages and prioritize urgent communications. You can change this setting at any time when needed. Just repeat the same steps to head back to the Sound Settings menu for messages and then apply necessary changes. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.